Amazon Prime for free 30 days, you need link in bio. You don't need a designer budget to have a designer home. Today, I'm showing you 27 Amazon home decor finds that will instantly make your space look expensive and high-end. We're talking about the biggest 2026 interior trends, from timeless textures to viral luxury dupes. These are the hidden gems that give your home that wow factor without the wow price tag. If you're ready to transform your home on a budget, stay tuned. Let's dive into these 27 elegant Amazon finds. Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop was $1,399. Now $849. Save $550. Amazon products you need to finally stop being a slave to your chores and let a robot do the heavy lifting. This Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is a total game changer for a truly hands-free home. Are you tired of your robot getting stuck on door thresholds or tangling up in long hair and messy cables? It is the absolute worst. This beast actually lifts its legs to cross door tracks, avoids over 180 types of obstacles, and features a detangling brush that eats hair for breakfast. Plus, the dock empties the dust, washes the mops with hot water, and dries them for you. Don't wait, you'll thank me later. Link in the description below. Rug Living Room was $299. Now $239. Save $60. Amazon products you need to finally stop stressing over juice spills or muddy pet paws on your expensive floors. This Rug Living Room is a total game changer for high-traffic homes. Are you tired of rugs that slip everywhere, trap pet hair like a magnet, or cost a fortune to professionally clean every time there's an accident? It is the absolute worst. This gorgeous bohemian rug is fully machine washable, features a built-in non-slip rubber backing, and is specifically designed to resist stains and chewing from pets. It stays vibrant and looks brand new even after a deep wash. Air Purifiers for Home Large was $219. Now $181. Save $38. Amazon products you need to finally stop breathing in hidden dust, pet dander, and gross kitchen odors. This Air Purifiers for Home Large is a total game changer for your living space. Are you tired of waking up with a stuffy nose or noticing that lingering smell of yesterday's dinner hanging around your open floor plan? It is the absolute worst. This AHAM verified beast cleans up to 1,700 square feet in just 1 hour. It features a smart laser sensor that tracks air quality in real time and a whisper quiet sleep mode that's literally as soft as a falling leaf. Omni portable window cleaning robot with multifunctional station was $499. Now $449. Save $50. Amazon products you need to finally stop risking your life on ladders just to get those high windows clean. This Omni portable window cleaning robot with multifunctional station is a total game changer for your home maintenance. Are you tired of streaky glass or spending hours scrubbing floor-to-ceiling windows only to miss the edges? It is the absolute worst. This robot uses triple wide-angle spray nozzles to dissolve dirt instantly and features intelligent path planning so it never misses a spot. It even has a battery mode for outdoor glass without outlets and a 12-stage safety system for total peace of mind. Irregular mirror full length was $169. Now $152. Save $17. Amazon products you need to finally fix those boring, empty walls and make your tiny room feel twice as big. This Irregular mirror full length is a total game changer for your home aesthetic. Are you tired of basic, rectangular mirrors that look like they belong in a dorm room or living in a space that feels dark and cramped? It is the absolute worst. This sculptural masterpiece features a stunning asymmetrical design with a premium natural wood frame. It uses HD glass for a perfect reflection and instantly bounces light around to make any hallway or bedroom feel airy and high-end. OxyPure Zero Plus Air Purifier was $699. Now $489. Save $210. Amazon products you need to finally stop wasting hundreds of dollars every year on expensive replacement filters. This OxyPure Zero Plus Air Purifier is a total game changer for your home and your wallet. Are you tired of that old house smell or worrying about invisible pollutants in your huge living space, only to realize your current purifier's filter is clogged and costs a fortune to replace? It is the absolute worst. This beast cleans up to 3,200 square feet and features zero-waste washable filters you never have to replace. It captures everything down to 0.09 microns and even eliminates toxic ozone. Sectional sleeper sofa couches for living room was $399. Now $319. Save $80. Amazon products you need to finally upgrade your living room without the nightmare of complicated assembly. This sectional sleeper sofa couches for living room is a total game changer for your home comfort. Are you tired of tiny, stiff couches that take 5 hours to put together and leave your back aching? It is the absolute worst. This massive U-shaped lounge is made of premium, cloud-like corduroy fabric and requires zero assembly. Just unbox and watch it expand. You can move the modular ottomans to create a huge sofa bed or a cozy sectional. Ceiling fans with lights and remote was $119. Now $75. Save $44. Amazon products you need to finally fix those stuffy rooms with low ceilings without having a giant, noisy fan blade inches from your head. This ceiling fans with lights and remote is a total game changer for your bedroom or nursery. Are you tired of clunky fans that wobble, hum loudly all night, or having to stand right under the sensor just to get the remote to work? It is the absolute worst. This low-profile beauty uses 360-degree signal coverage, so you can control it from anywhere. It's whisper quiet, features stepless dimming to set the perfect mood, and even has a reversible motor to keep you cool in summer and warm in winter. Folding mattress was $245, now $189. Save $56. Amazon products you need to finally stop sleeping on the hard ground during camping trips or making your guests suffer on a lumpy old couch. This folding mattress is a total game changer for small spaces and outdoor adventures. Are you tired of bulky air mattresses that leak by midnight or having zero room for a spare bed in your tiny apartment? It is the absolute worst. This 6-inch trifold features a dual-layer memory foam design for cloud-like support and a built-in handle so you can carry it with one hand. It's waterproof on the bottom and the cover is fully machine washable. Robot vacuum and mop combo with self was $299. Now $224. Save $75. Amazon products you need to finally stop being a slave to your chores and literally forget about floor cleaning for 3 whole months. This robot vacuum and mop combo with self-emptying base is a total game changer for busy homes. Are you tired of coming home to pet hair everywhere or having to empty a tiny dustbin every single day? It is the absolute worst. This beast has insane 7,000 pascals suction that automatically boosts on carpets and a tangle-free brush that handles hair like a pro. It even mops, maps 5 different floors, and empties itself. The products are all available in the description and comment section. It's on sale. CleanView Compact Turbo Vacuum was $89, now $79. Save $10. Amazon products you need to finally stop lugging a heavy, clunky vacuum up and down the stairs. This CleanView Compact Turbo Vacuum is a total game changer for anyone living in a dorm or apartment. Are you tired of vacuums that weigh a ton but still manage to spray dust and crumbs all over your hard floors? It is the absolute worst. This beast weighs only 10 pounds, but packs full-size suction power. It features scatter-free technology for messy floors and a quick-release wand that reaches every cobweb on your ceiling. Plus, every purchase helps save homeless pets. Smart Scale for body weight was $233, now $189. Save $44. Amazon products you need to finally stop guessing if your workout is actually working. This Smart Scale for body weight is a total game changer for your fitness journey. Are you tired of basic scales that only show a number, leaving you clueless about whether you're losing fat or just muscle? It is the absolute worst. This high-tech scale uses 8 electrodes to give you a full-body report on a massive 4-inch handle display. It tracks over 50 metrics, syncs with Apple Health, and even has voice guidance. It's basically a pro health clinic in your bathroom. 10-inch gel memory foam twin-size mattress was $179. Now $152. Save $27. Amazon products you need to finally stop waking up with that annoying back pain and those middle-of-the-night heat waves. This 10-inch gel memory foam twin-size mattress is a total game changer for your sleep quality. Are you tired of tossing and turning on a mattress that's either way too stiff or feels like you're sinking into quicksand? It is the absolute worst. This medium firm dream features cooling, gel-infused foam, and specialized airflow channels to keep you perfectly chilled all night. It's Certipur US, certified, odorless, and arrives right to your door in a box. Folding bed rail for toddlers was $55. Now $46, save $9. Amazon products. You need to finally stop worrying about your toddler rolling off the bed in the middle of the night. This folding bed rail for toddlers is a total lifesaver for every parent's peace of mind. Are you tired of piling up pillows on the floor or waking up in a panic every time you hear a tiny thud? It is the absolute worst. This rail features a reinforced U-shaped base that won't slip, built-in sponges to prevent bumps, and a double safety lock so kids can't accidentally open it. It installs in 10 minutes with 0 tools. Showerhead combo was $119, now $93. Save $26. Amazon products you need to finally stop settling for weak water pressure and turn your boring bathroom into a luxury spa. This shower head combo is a total game changer for your morning routine. Are you tired of that wimpy trickle that barely rinses out shampoo? Or struggling to wash your dog with a stiff, short hose? It is the absolute worst. This system features a massive 13-inch rainfall head and a 10-setting handheld with a powerful cleaning spray for tiles. The adjustable curved arm lets you customize the height perfectly without any leaks. Toy storage organizer was $124, now $89. Save $35. Amazon products you need to finally stop tripping over stray Legos and make your house look like an actual adult lives. There. This toy storage organizer is the ultimate secret to a tidy playroom. Are you tired of that overwhelming toy mountain that makes it impossible to find anything or keep your living room clean? It is the absolute worst. This solid pinewood organizer comes with 12 removable bins in 2 sizes and even has a built-in bookshelf for bedtime stories. It features smooth, rounded edges and a super stable base so it won't wobble around your kids. Original adjustable pillow was $99, now $79. Save $20. Amazon products you need to finally stop waking up with a stiff neck and that exhausted, I didn't sleep at all feeling. This original adjustable pillow is a total game changer for literally every type of sleeper. Are you tired of buying pillows that are either way too flat or so stiff they feel like a brick, leaving you tossing and turning all night? It is the absolute worst. This pillow is fully customizable. You just add or remove the memory foam fill to find your perfect loft. It features a breathable Lultra cover and uses only fresh, non-toxic foam that's certified safe. Stainless steel kitchen trash can was $104, now $84, save $20. Amazon products you need to finally upgrade your kitchen and hide that ugly, overflowing trash bag for good. This stainless steel kitchen trash can is a total game changer for your home aesthetic. Are you tired of cheap plastic bins that slide around, get covered in disgusting fingerprints, and let smells leak out everywhere? It is the absolute worst. This sleek 13-gallon bin features a fingerprint-resistant finish and a soft close lid that locks open for easy meal prep. It even has a hidden liner ring to tuck away bag edges. Air Filter MERV was $55, now $44, save $11. Amazon products you need to finally stop breathing in hidden dust and allergens that your basic filters are totally missing. This Air Filter MERV 13 is a total game changer for your home's air quality. Are you tired of constant sneezing, weird smells, or seeing a layer of dust on your furniture just days after cleaning? It is the absolute worst. This American-made filter uses electrostatic technology to trap 98% of microscopic particles like smoke and bacteria without choking your HVAC system. Plus, it's made sustainably from recycled materials. Gel memory foam mattress was $159, now $76, save $83. Amazon products you need to finally stop waking up in a puddle of sweat and feeling like you aged 10 years overnight. This gel memory foam mattress is a total game changer for your bedroom. Are you tired of tossing and turning because your bed is a literal oven or waking up with that annoying lower back pain? It is the absolute worst. This ventilated gel foam actually regulates your temperature to keep you cool, while the contouring memory foam aligns your spine perfectly whether you sleep on your side or back. Plus, the cover unzips for easy machine washing. Steam Up with detachable handheld steamer was $99, now $66, save $33. Amazon products you need to finally stop scrubbing your floors on your hands and knees like it's the dark ages. This Steam Mop with detachable handheld steamer is a total game changer for deep cleaning your entire house. Are you tired of sticky floors, gross grout, or trying to clean your windows and sofa with chemicals that just don't work? It is the absolute worst. This beast heats up in only 10 seconds and blasts away grime with 248-degree steam. It's a 10-in-1 tool that cleans everything from barbecue grills to clothes. Pinch pleated blackout curtains was $76, now $69, save $7. Amazon products you need to finally get that expensive, custom designer look for your windows without spending thousands of dollars. This pinch pleated blackout curtains is a total game changer for your bedroom vibe. Are you tired of thin, cheap-looking curtains that let the morning sun blind you and make your room look messy? It is the absolute worst. These double-layer linen panels are memory shape, trained to stay perfectly pleated, and include weighted corners for a flawless drape. They block 100% of light and even provide thermal insulation to save on your energy bills. Large power tool organizer wall mount was $89, now $56, save $33. Amazon products you need to finally stop losing your screwdrivers and clear that messy pile of tools off your workbench. This large power tool organizer wall mount is a total game changer for your garage or workshop. Are you tired of searching for an outlet to charge your drill or worrying about your heavy tools breaking a flimsy shelf? It is the absolute worst. This heavy-duty beast holds up to 600 pounds and features an integrated 4-outlet power strip for easy charging. With 4 tiers of storage and 8 drill slots, everything stays organized and ready to go. Tower fan for bedroom was $79, now $59, save $20. Amazon products you need to finally survive the summer heat without that loud, clunky fan keeping you awake all night. This tower fan for bedroom is a total game changer for your sleep routine. Are you tired of bulky fans that barely move the air and make so much noise you have to turn up the TV? It is the absolute worst. This sleek Trio fan delivers high-speed cooling up to 25 feet per second while staying whisper quiet thanks to its algorithmic impeller. It features a 90-degree oscillation to cool the whole room and even has a remote for lazy days. Waterproof outdoor curtains was $56, now $48, save $7. Amazon products you need to finally turn your backyard into a private oasis without neighbors staring at you all day. This waterproof outdoor curtains is a total game changer for your patio or porch setup. Are you tired of rain ruining your outdoor furniture or the sun being so bright you can't even enjoy your balcony? It is the absolute worst. These curtains are made from heavy-duty waterproof fabric that blocks the sun and keeps the rain out. They feature rust-proof grommets for smooth sliding and are completely opaque for total privacy. Queen sheet set was $78, now $54, save $24. Amazon products you need to finally stop waking up drenched in sweat and feeling like you're sleeping in a sauna. This queen sheet set is a total game changer for anyone who runs hot at night. Are you tired of tossing and turning on scratchy, sticky sheets that just trap all your body heat? It is the absolute worst. These award-winning sheets are made from 100% rayon derived from bamboo, making them silky, soft, and naturally cooling. They wick away moisture and feature a deep pocket-fitted sheet that actually stays in place all night long. Cotton premium towels was $37, now $34, save $3. Amazon products you need to finally stop using those thin, scratchy towels that stay damp forever and start feeling like you're at a 5-star spa every morning. This cotton premium towel set is exactly what your bathroom has been missing. Are you tired of towels that lose their softness after one wash or barely even absorb water when you get out of the shower? It is the absolute worst. These Turkish towels are made from 100% ring-spun cotton, making them super thick, absorbent, and Okotex certified safe. With double-stitched hems, they're built to last for years without fraying.